In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you guys how you can share Google Drive files just in few minutes. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, so let's get started. So to start sharing Google Drive files, it's super easy and simple. All you have to do is you just need to open your Google Drive account like this and go to your home page. So I already have this file over here and I want to share this file with someone, okay? So what you will do, you just need to click over here on this 3 point and scroll down, and you should see here share. Okay, so you can click over here on copy the link. You can send this link to the person that you want to share this file with, or you can click on share, okay, like this. So just click on share and you just need to wait few seconds, and here you go. So what you will do next, you just need to put the email of the person that you want to share this file with and click over here on done, and that's it. That's how we can share Google Drive files with people or with anyone who and that's how we can share Google Drive files. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next videos.